Softvenera Solar Lanterns are marketed as outdoor lighting solutions that supposedly provide bright illumination and reliable performance without electricity. But the real question is, do they actually work, or are they another solar gadget with inflated claims? Now, to be fair, solar lanterns can be genuinely useful. Modern solar lights are often convenient, energy efficient, and capable of providing practical outdoor lighting when placed in the right conditions. What it does well may provide convenient outdoor lighting. Solar lanterns can be useful for patios, gardens, pathways, camping trips, and emergency situations. No electrical outlet required. One of the biggest advantages is that they charge using sunlight rather than household power. Where the hype falls apart, brightness is often overstated. This is the biggest issue. Marketing photos frequently make solar lights appear far brighter than they are in real-world use. Performance depends heavily on sunlight. Cloudy weather, shade, and shorter winter days can significantly reduce charging and runtime. Battery life may decline over time. Like all rechargeable batteries, solar lantern batteries eventually lose capacity. So, do Softvenera Solar Lanterns actually work? Short answer: yes, they likely provide usable solar-powered lighting, but the real-world performance may be less impressive than the advertising suggests. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.